Hello everybody and welcome back to some more gameplay. This week we're at Airsoft Plantation in Essex, one of our very favourite sites. It was a scorcher, so let's see what the marshals have in store for us.
First game we're going to play today is going to be a blue team attack. The blue team have got 2 objectives to collect and then 2 buildings to smoke out to end their time. Blue team, you will be starting up at Swaziland. You will have to attack into our air base and our new Palm Springs Village 3.0, and you will collect 1 case from the aeroplane, 1 case from Steve's new pub, the Boathouse, okay? Be quite cool. Once you've collected the 2 crates, you have to move them into the village. In our village, at the back of the village and at the front of the village, we have 2 2-tier huts. You need to smoke each of those huts out to end your time. In the boxes are the smoke grenades. Has to be an over 18 player that gets them to their objective. The youths can carry them, but they cannot strike the grenades, okay? As soon as you get to your objective building, open the box, spark the grenade, that's taken out that building, then get to the other end of the village, take out the other one, that will end your time. Here's a sniper gun.
Alright. Let me go over. Alright.
Gas up, on point! Watch the gas moving! Coming!
He down. Mag!
Turn back, he's back in the way.
Yeah, he's behind that far bit of the tree, isn't he? Hit!
That's 3 mags out already.
Coming across, dead player!
Well done, Steve!
Hit!
Thanks, far end again, yeah.
Yeah? They can't cross there though. You've got a big fuck off ditch with water in it. They've got to come round and collect the car. There's 3 or 4 of them just on the right hand side.
What you got, Hazel?
One coming down the middle.
Yeah? Yeah? That way? They're coming from that way. Yeah.
No way. That's not the fucking
Oh, hit! Dead player coming out! Dead player! I'm just coming across you. Dead player! Dead player!
I know where it's going.
Dead player crossing!
One in there! One in that one! One in the bottom, my man.
Simpleton.
Dad, go to the right there.
You want? You alright? We want that.
Yeah. I think we just got to get the cases to the building. Yeah. We know where the cases are. I think we'll put one on that one. Right, okay. Michael!
Sounds like the station.
Yeah, I have to leave and go get a drink.
Michael Wayne! Let's go!
I might take the helmet.
Well done. I might hit the case at once. There's one on the back of the truck. I understand that. You pushed forward and I just shot in the nose. Dead end unless you walk through 4 foot thing, you go this way. Good man. The guy in the back of the truck.
We got the box, yeah?
Jack.
What are you doing in there?
You get up on the path.
Oh yeah, but that is cancer, right?
Huh?
On his own. If one man goes, follow. Is it flank left now? This is.
Grenade!
Is it moving? Smoke? Smoke? No, I've only got poison. No, I've got smoke.
Oh, go on then.
You're not sorry, boys.
Got enough for you there.
See the blue barrel here?
Yeah, they're just going to put some smoke out.
Oh, this fucking sense or something. There's a sniper at the back.
No point challenging it.
No, it's moved.
Anyone coming with me? Yeah, come on in.
Watch on left side.
Hit!
Back on the corner.
That's us, we've got the tower, Just watch your immediate left. Push in. Mag.
Well done in there.
Case? Who's got the case? We've got the first hut. You can set it off in the first hut. Yeah, just come round here.
What, in there? Yeah, I think
one.
Go. Well played, red team.
I lay down, I go sideways.
No, okay, guys. We are going to play an area domination game. Nice. The thinking behind this game is to use the whole map to split the firefights up to keep you all a bit cooler. Means you can work as your squads. You can move in your own fashion, do your own thing to complete the objective. Now I've put 5 locations out on the field and they are denoted by 2 tins sat next to each other. One is blue, one is red. All you need to do, fight your way into that area, put your colour tin on top of the other colour tin and then your team dominates that area. Make sense, guys? Yep. There is 5 areas at the end of 45 minutes to an hour, depending how the game's playing. We will score it, then we'll call the game, and the winning team will be the team that was holding the most locations when we scored it. Nice and easy? I tried to make the locations easy for the people that haven't played before, okay? So where we've been playing today. So we have got the village well, being location 1. We have got the border. That's going to be spicy. We have got the mortar pit. We have got the new boat shed that we played through today, guys.
Because you're doing the skips, so you're not worrying about recycling them.
And the fire break. Somewhere else. And the fire breaks. And 5 areas. Border, village, mortar pit, boat shed, fire break. They're in 2 tins on each of them.
Hey, just shoot them. Go! Wait for that ball now, it's not going to get into the area. Maybe go move the village tank right in there. I think I'll take that straight for it, don't straight back.
Yeah.
I don't know what
I can go and sort this one out if you guys want to follow Matt round to the village. Patina.
Where it would go.
Yay, I was involved.
Yay!
Yeah.
Just behind the building?
Yeah, in the actual pathway.
I don't think they've
What, just to the left, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll try and run it, but I know I'll get shot as soon as I cross.
I haven't seen any move.
Hazel!
Can't see shit in that thicket. Oh, there's a bloke in there, though.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, hit.
He gone.
Second building left hand side.
Now behind it in the trees. But he's dead. Is there another one?
Yeah, there's still another one. Look in between the trees. That sounds powerful as fuck.
So,
You know the first hut? It's to the right of the side of the first.
just look.
Lost the guy at the bottom there. He got me. And that hut on your left.
Yeah, he's in the big hut first left. You know the little small hole?
Yeah.
I don't know if someone's crept in there. But literally.
Yeah.
I think they know they can't. I think they know they can't go through the glass. Sitting in there.
No. He did.
Go and get some shots there and I'll cover your left still.
Well, field day here, John. It's been lovely.
Keep walking out and getting shot on me, confused.
What are we waiting for?
They're on this barricade in front of us, so I've got enough people there, they're all fucking sat here.
What, at the start of the village? Yeah. Right.
Coming up, where have you been, mate?
Sorry.
Sniper, you want to be on us? You want to be on us? You can see him from there. Tuck in a bit right there.
Pretty much straight down at the border.
Go on that, yeah? They're angry.
Hello, mate. Chat about it.
Where are they?
No, you're not going to get in with that.
What's that? Not DMRs, I don't know.
It's, well, Ethan's, yeah, it's just normal. That's going well.
I know.
What's done to that? It's going well, that's lovely.
Put a barrel and hop unit. Here.
Going up. Right, we're going to rape the shit out of this little bastard.
Go rape him.
Oh, look at you!
I'm so proud of my
What we're going to do, guys, is red team have won one game today. You won that domination game, so well done, red team. Blue team have won the other game. So we're going to give the red team an opportunity to try and win a game and draw a tie. If not, the blue team will win the day. And what we're going to do is I am going to put a marshal on the border with a belt. Nice and easy. The red team, you are going to start at the very end of the woods, and your objective is to hit that belt. You will have a rolling marshal respawn, so what you played with this morning, just to stop you all getting so knackered while you're out there. And then the defending team will have 2 lives to take anywhere they like in the woods, including the border, to stop you getting there. The twist, you've only got 20 minutes to achieve it, win or lose. Sound good, red team? Okay. 3, 2, 1, game on!
Sunburn, you guys go and sneak around the side.
Yep.
We'll make it sound like everyone's still here.
Yeah.
A bunch of people.
Are we recording for you?
You are indeed. Alright, I'm here for you. Just like I have been in that shop all day.
We haven't even moved yet. Yeah?
Oh. I think you're doing that again.
A long range up there.
You better run.
What you got, Rob?
I can't see shit, mate. Come round here, John.
Sorry.
Steve?
Steve, come with me, let's go get spicy, mate.
You never asked. Do you plan to go? If it involves going straight across there, I'm up for it.
Yeah, I'm man enough. Right, if you stand here, you look straight. I see him.
See that big tree? Stick right behind it. You had a good shot where you were.
Ah, hit!
Never mind.
Apparently. That brings to the end another great day's gameplay over at Airsoft Plantation in Essex. If you ever get a chance, go over and have a play, and if you can't get down there, have a look at our review of the site in Airsoft International's latest magazine issue. So thank you very much for watching again, and we'll see you on the next one.